dance when the bass hit. Dab on the spaceship. Me and all my motherfucking homies going ape shit. I'm hella high, bruh. I cannot lie, bruh.
Oh, what's up? What's up? It's your boy Andrew, representing AAA. I mean, wait. It's just me now. So it's just A. It's your boy Andrew, representing Fit and Fitness, and it's been a while. It's been a really long time since I uploaded up on this channel, but I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby. I'm back. And what better way to start off coming back by showing you guys what I eat. Actually just got done from a cut. So I dropped about 20 pounds and I'm just gonna show you guys what's a staple in my diet that kept me lean the whole time. Kept me lean and mean. Well, maybe not that lean, but you know, you guys get my drift. So today I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna go. You probably guys saw from the thumbnail where we're gonna go eat, and you guys guessed it right. We're going to Krispy Kreme. But anyways, I was kidding, by the way, if you guys didn't notice. This is just a disclaimer. This is not something I do all the time. I actually have Crohn's disease and Barrett's esophagus, so yeah, if I did this, I'd be in the toilet majority of the time, which I really am anyways, regardless if I do this or not. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I've been cutting for so long, and you know, everyone should just live their life and cheat once a week, you know? It's fine to cheat once a week and eat what you want to eat and then feel the repercussions later in the toilet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Krispy Kreme, and I'm basically going to order every single donut that they have on the menu. And keep in mind, I have not eaten donuts since, I don't know, it's been a while. I think I haven't eaten donuts since like 3 years or something. So yeah, right now it's about, let's see. Oh shit. It's about 2 o'clock, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick up the donuts. I'm gonna go pick up the donuts around 4 o'clock, and kill that shit. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's go do this together. I'm gonna go Krispy Kreme and bring y'all along. Alright guys, I just made it to Krispy Kreme. Let's get up in there, let's get it! Can I get every single donut? Yeah, I just want to get every single one of each kind, so. That's good. Alright, after this, but. How many donuts is that anyways, like all this?
What? For each and every one?
Well, yeah, because I just want to try out each one, so rather than get like all of the same ones, you know?
Yeah. Oh man, it's 1.5 dozen.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
Yeah, give me a 6. Yeah. I thought it was about to be 2 though. I know, I thought it was 2, yeah. Well, even with the
Yeah. I'll go for it all. How much is it? $18.77. Oh, that's not bad.
A few moments later.
With the prize. Let's go see what's under box number 1. Ooh. Let's check out box number 2. Oh. But wait, you cannot have these unless they have their best friends. And who are the donuts' best friends? Mr. KOLACHES. 6 of them. Alright. You guys saw the product. Let's get started. So the time is 5:27. November 7th. November 7th. And yeah, November 7th. And this is not going to be a time challenge. I'm actually going to enjoy all this, but I'm actually going to probably eat pretty fast because I'm pretty hungry. But if you're like me, you need to have your supplements ready before you take all this, which I'm taking the apple cider vinegar, which I already took. And I'm taking my lactose pills to help me out through this cause. So let's do this. I think I'll be able to finish. all the donuts, but the kolaches might pose a problem, so let's do this. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Oh yeah, and I got me some almond milk right here, so lactose. All right, let's start with this. This is probably the glaze with cream filling. Like that. Looks so good, huh?
I could give you the sky and the light will guide you. Running the wild, that's where I'll find you. Open your mind to all that binds you.
Okay, the last one from box number 1. Nothing for box number 1.
Story to unfold inside.
Oh my god, look at this cookies and cream one. God, it looks so good. Wow, my stupid fucking battery died. It said I had fucking 50% left, but apparently not. So right now it's 5:46, just in case people thought that I cheated or whatever. You know, I have so much sugar. It's like going to my face. Battery died too, so. And then this just seems like I'm making all this shit up, but 10 donuts are not that impressive, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat me a kolache at least. No. Get some protein now. I'm gonna go ahead and right now it's 7:56. 7:56. I'm gonna try to eat me like 2 or 3 donuts and come back and finish the rest, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna skip the gym, but probably eat this and then go to the gym afterwards, so. Look at that. Oh, no. Alright guys, got back home from the gym and did some legs. Fucking horrible. Horrible. I felt like I was gonna throw up. I don't know how people do these challenges and they're still able to work out like that and push it really hard. I was trying to push myself. I almost threw up. I kept telling myself I had to throw up. But my workout partner was like, yeah, that's what's happening when you work out legs. And I'm like, no, it's not. This food it's not going down. So, yeah, I was debating if I should finish this or not. But you know what? I can't bitch out, man. I gotta finish the donuts at least, man. As you guys can tell, I got 5 more left. See, you guys see from earlier, 5 more left and 3 of these. I don't know if I'll be able to finish these kolaches, but I'm gonna finish these donuts, man. I can't let these go to waste, man. Just can't. But I did microwave my kolaches, so I'm sure it'll taste better. And I'm drinking water this time instead of milk because The almond milk didn't even seem like it just really helped me any. So yeah, the time is, oops. So it's 12:25. I think it's, yeah, 12:25. So I think it's only been like 6 hours. So I'm trying to consume everything, all this, in about 7 or 8 hours, which I think I could do. So yeah, let's do this. So much better if it was warmer. Oh my god. We got the 16 donuts and 4 kolaches within 6 hours. For sure, I'm pretty sure I can do the 10K challenge. Oh man. Yeah, sorry. I can't do it, guys. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, that's so charming. I don't know how people do this shit, man. Oh, fuck. Oh, god. Anyways. Stay tuned for more shit like this, where I tend to do all these stupid challenges. Probably not like this. I have more timed, and where I actually finish the challenges. I have more content, more workout stuff, more other stuff. Y'all just stay tuned. My channel is coming back. I'm gonna go kill myself now. Alright, talk to you guys later. Oh wait, I forgot to show you guys how much I left, just for proof. Not like it's impressive or anything, but I had 2 more fucking donuts on 2 kolaches.
I only call you when it's high.